Quick, I need your help. We need to name this wizard for our Wizard Tower series. About a week ago, I asked for name suggestions across all the platforms, and I've gotten about 20 from you guys. And I'm super grateful for everyone for following along with this series. I wanted to put the name of the wizard into your hands. So I've created a poll. It's going to be up for a few days. But if you go to my Linktree on TikTok, the first link will take you to the poll. Now, if this is YouTube or Instagram, I will put the link in the description. Or you can also find my Linktree. So we've got about 20 suggestions here, and I also added the others so that you can add your suggestions in. Now you can vote for as many as you like, and then I made it so that you can vote every time you open the browser. So please vote as many times as you can in the next 5 days. And then I will reveal the name of our wizard in our last and final ever tower video.